Fire's on because it is cold. Yes. Right, we are done with our travel videos from 2019. All the videos came from 2 stints. One was in April when we got married, and the second stint was in November, December, where we went and said goodbye to Kinal's mum. So out of those 2 stints, we spent about 2-3-ish months in the country and got, I don't know, 60, 70 odd videos all up, which is pretty good considering the short amount of time that we were there and the fact that it's 2021. So I'm glad I took so much stuff. So what next? There's going to be some deleted scenes videos I'm going to share with you guys. Now, these are scenes or clips that just didn't fit into any of the stories that we were trying to tell in any of those vlogs, and also in hindsight probably would have been boring at the time when I had no subscribers. And now that you guys have shared with me what you like to see and what you enjoy, some of it actually is going to be, I don't know, hopefully mildly amusing to you guys. What's my channel, Marc? Mildly interesting to you guys. Hey, we're also at 800 subscribers, which is really, really cool. So thank you so much for coming along on this journey with us. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching this, hit that bell and I'll put the little thing up here. Help us get to 1,000. So if we get to 1,000, we can monetize the channel. And I'd love to be able to use any money we get from YouTube on this channel to send back home to Kinal's family in Cambodia. I also want to say thank you to everyone who bought some Gold Khmer merchandise. That money that we made from that exercise brought a fair bit of rice and dried food for Kinal's family whilst they were going through a bit of a shit time because of the spicy cough. So thank you so much for buying it. I hope you're wearing your gear with pride. It's gone everywhere from Melbourne, Adelaide, Sydney, Canada as well, and Wazza from Franga. I've still got yours here, mate, so we'll try and meet you soon before we get locked down again, because that's the reality at the moment in this bloody country. What next after the deleted scenes stuff? I suppose there's some stories I'd like to tell. A few people have asked how Kinal and I met and how we've maintained a long distance relationship being from Cambodia and Australia, and I'd like to make some videos about that experience because from what I can tell, a lot of our audience have either gone through that or are currently in that same situation where they've had long distance relationships. So hopefully you'll relate to some of the stuff that we've been through, and again, point and laugh. Those videos might happen later in the year or early next year, because we're actually working on some big stuff here at home. Now, not only can I actually get some stuff done on my other channel, Meatball Garage, which I've got a lot of content to edit and produce for that one, but we've got some big things happening at home, which is probably going to take precedence out of everything. Would you like to hold up some of the washing? Yes, that's right. We're breeding. We've got a little one coming, so you'll notice if there's a dead stop on everything, it's because
we need some sleep.
What was that? We need some sleep. Yeah, absolutely. So, we're rapt to be able to welcome a human being to the world, and hopefully they get to see a Carlton Premiership before they hit 30 years old.
Keep dreaming, mate.
Far out. So, there's a lot of obviously stuff to do between now and baby coming out, which should be September, October. If you're interested in helping us out or helping out people back in Cambodia, there's 2 things you can do. One is tell your friends, help us get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, and we'll make sure we get any money we make from this channel going back home. The second thing, if you're interested in becoming a member of the Gold Khmer Club, let us know. Troy, I'll give you a shout, mate. If we get enough interest, I'll do another run of merchandise. Troy, who's also in Victoria, big help getting these organised, but we do live quite a way away from each other, so I want to make sure that we've got enough interest in these hats and shirts before we put in another order. But again, thanks Troy for all your help with that, mate. I absolutely love this. Also, I want to shout out a recent subscriber, John. Now, John has taken some amazing photos of Cambodia back in the 90s and also from some other parts of the world 20, 30 years ago. So I'll leave the link to his website below. He's been published a few times too, and I've been checking out your website, John, all last night and night before, mate. It is fantastic. So if you want to see some great pictures of Cambodia and Southeast Asia and other places, go check out the website below. It's fantastic. Thanks again for watching. We've loved all your support and comments and general ribbings as well when it comes to all things Camry. So keep it up, and we'll see you in another video. Cheers. Chicka chow.
Chicka chow.
Or if you're Maddo, gotcha. We'll have beer soon, mate. We're out of lockdown.